y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this nice Mohawk twist out style that I have here. I mean, y'all, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this definition? Do y'all see this shine? Like, yes. If you want to see how I did this, be sure to stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are back. Okay, so I wore this braided, twisted Mohawk style about a week and a half, and basically I just got bored and I was ready to do something a little different and see what my twist out looked like. So first things first, go ahead and coat your hands with oil. Why? Because we want to reduce that frizz. Now, if you have not seen how I install this style, be sure to look at that little clip at the top, or hit the card in the top right corner, or go down in the description box and click the link, or you can wait till the end and I have the video link for you, okay? So after you get your hair all coated down with that oil, honey, let's get those edges all the way together. So I went in with a little edge control just to smooth them jokers down. Kindly followed up with my edge control brush just to smooth them down, give them a little mild swoop, you know, nothing too serious, just a little something something, just to say that, you know, I'm a little put together, that's all. Then we gotta get that front together because y'all about to see that, be looking dead up at that when this twist out is let out. So we just gotta make sure that everything is nice and smooth, just the way that I like it. Okay, boom, we gotta go in with our scarf. You know, that's just to lay everything down, make sure everything stays into place, okay? And baby, it's about time to get started, okay? So I went ahead and took most of my hair and threw that joke up in a ponytail, okay? Because we gotta start untwisting it, okay? We gotta unleash. Okay, unleash these twists. Let them out, honey. Let them do what they need to do. So the first thing you need to do when you're doing your twist out is start from the bottom of the twist and slowly work your way up the top, okay? Take your time. Don't rush. Finesse the hair. Love the hair. You'll get beautiful results. I do it week after week, time after time, okay? If you want to see how I do it, be sure to watch my videos, okay? If you enjoy my content, subscribe to my channel, okay? Hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I drop a video every Friday, okay? This is about to look so good. I mean, this definition, you see this definition? Do you see this definition? And honey, here we are, yes. Hair all out and all luscious, just out there, ready for the world to see. And don't forget, y'all, this is a Mohawk. So if you want to wear it one side, you can do it. If you want to wear it on the other side, you can do it, honey. Give them an extra style, yes. Oh my gosh, y'all, like I haven't really must have pleased one of my hair ancestors, because let me tell y'all, this turned out just the way I saw it in my head. Like, the vision was in here, it was brewing, and it was working, and then it showed up on top of my head. Like, yes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.